Welcome to Vasavi Hospital Orthopedics Department, which is dedicated and focused on tailor-made subspecialty orthopedic care just for you. From the moment you step in through our doors to the day you step out, you will experience comfort, convenience, exceptional service, and the state-of-the-art treatment and care from our top orthopedic surgeons.
Hi, I am Dr. Rupendu, Chief of Orthopedic Services at Vasavi Hospital, Kumaraswamy Layout, Bangalore. About 5 years back when this hospital started, we were approached by the hospital management to start an orthopedic department. Our dream was to start a department where we could give services to various types of orthopedic illnesses with good special skills. We were able to form a good team of doctors who were able to give the service to the needs of the people of this locality and also around this area. I am very happy to see today that this department is maturing into a very good department with various special skills different in each surgeon. So we are able to give an in-toto service to any orthopedic illness who might walk into our department. I'm also happy to say that we have done more than 3,000 orthopedic surgeries over the last few years. We are specialized in joint replacements, hand surgeries, arthroscopic surgeries, spine surgeries, and complicated trauma services. I hope that this will continue in future to give a good service at affordable cost to our patients.
The combinations of our advanced technology and expertise helps us in delivering the best outcomes at Vasavi Hospital.
Hi, my name is Srivatsa Subramanya. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in surgeries of the shoulder and knee joint. At Vasavi Hospital, we've been managing the entire spectrum of musculoskeletal issues. We've been managing degenerative conditions, traumatic conditions, and sports-related injuries. We are equipped to perform computer-navigated joint replacements, patient-matched joint replacements, and revision surgeries. We are equipped with arthroscopes to perform and to manage sports-related injuries. We've been treating athletes who are recreational, semi-professional, and professional. And then we have the microscopes to manage hand and micro injuries. And then we have image intensifiers to help us operate on fractures and dislocations. We've also been performing orthobiological treatments which include platelet-rich plasma and stem cells.
Our goal at Vasavi Hospital is to provide with most comprehensive and compassionate care to alleviate pain and improve mobility. We are here to help you get back to doing what you like the most.
I am Dr. Venkatesh Rathod, working as a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Vasavi Hospital from past 5 years since the time of its inception. My experience in this field has been 8 years. It's a sense of proud and immense satisfaction to work under Dr. Rupendu, who's the head of the department, who's a pioneer in this field. It's a truly gratifying experience to say that we have established a very strong orthopedic department under Dr. Rupendu's mentorship. So with management providing a state-of-the-art technology, a wonderful infrastructure and best equipment available in the country, achievements of our orthopedic department has gone leaps and bounds. So we have done close to 3,000 surgeries. We have 800 to 1,000 OPDs a month. Apart from doing regular mainstream orthopedic surgeries, we have performed complicated surgeries such as limb reconstructions, complex joint replacement using navigation technology, limb reimplantation using operating microscope technologies, intercalary processes, which was one of a kind of surgery which is done first time in India in Vasavi Hospital, spine surgeries and deformity corrections. So other than these operating milestones, we have lot of educational programs in our hospital to educate the medical and paramedical staff, and giving them skills and knowledge to handle the orthopedic patients in their hospitals as better as possible. So we also aim at giving back to the community using preventive medicine, wherein we educate the regular population with awareness towards regular orthopedic problems, orthopedic injuries, how they can prevent it, how they can make their bone more strength and more healthy. So these are our goals. So we come with a total package where a patient can actually go in search of an orthopedic department and benefit from these services. Thank you.
Thank you for exploring Vasavi Hospital. For more information on our services, care, and to find a physician, please visit www.vasavihospital.com.